So let's write the code for the exercise 3. Let's do that. So I'm using the same online compiler, and you can find it here on this link. And I was actually thinking that it won't allow me to create a file, but it's a very good compiler. So let's start. This is the name of my file, which I will read. Let's put this line at the start. Let's put it here. This is the total code, and I've done this code using this. I've done this code by reading the file character by character. You can see it on this line, and then I have checked that character if it is \n. So you can do the same for vowels and anything else that you want to check in your file. So I've done it like this. You can do it by reading this file line by line, and we have covered the code for reading the file line by line. So you can use that. Actually use that for your task. Don't use this code, so that you know how to do it that way too. And let's see the output. This is my file. It has 3 lines. The first line says hello, the second one says ABC, and third one is just empty. And let's run it. I have actually run it before too, and so you can see the output here. Let's run it again. So this is the output. There are total 3 lines, and this is what it is in the file. And why is this showing here? Because I have see out this statement here too. So this is it. I hope you can do the rest of the exercises by yourself now. So I hope it was helpful. See you next time.